Okay, so ayan na. Na-convert na natin siya into a resultant force and resultant moment system. So, punta na tayo class sa mga sample problems natin wherein ang una nating gagawin is to solve for the first level of simplification ng bawat force system na ipapakita natin. And mamaya, after nating makabisado yung first level of simplification, pupunta naman na tayo sa second level of simplification. For our first problem, we are tasked to replace the force system shown by an equivalent resultant force and couple moment acting at the origin. And ang origin natin dito would be this point. Okay? So, ano bang force system ito? This is a coplanar concurrent force system. And paano ba natin sinusolve yung resultant? Kung matatandaan nyo, yung resultant na formulas na dinerive natin kanina, that is for all types of force system, mapa, concurrent, collinear, parallel, and general. So, basically, to solve for the resultant force, kakailanganin lang natin ng Rx and Ry. So, let us first solve the Rx. So, Rx is just equal to the summation of forces in the x direction, considering to the right positive. Usual na ginagawa ko dito, naglalagay na ako ng palatandaan muna ng component ng bawat forces dito, para hindi na ako malito later on sa sign, kung positive or negative siya. So, unahin natin yung force 1. Ang horizontal component niyan would be 10 cosine kasi adjacent siya ng angle, no? Cosine 15. Para naman sa ating horizontal component ng force 2, that is simply 150 sine 10. Positive dahil going to the right yung kanyang component. Calculate, that is 122 Newton. Ibig sabihin, to the right yung ating Rx kasi positive yung lumabas. Next, let us solve for Ry. Summation force is vertical lang yan. So for F1, yung vertical component yan is upward. Opposite siya ng ating angle, 10 sine 15. Next, for F2, ang vertical component yan is adjacent sa ating angle, cosine. Positive dahil upward, so 150 cosine 10 degrees. Calculate, that is 173 Newton. Positive, ibig sabihin, upward ang ating Ry. Given our Ry and Rx, we will have a sense na yung resultant natin is going upward to the right. Okay, so to solve for the resultant, Pythagorean theorem lang yan. Salpak si Rx and Ry, and then yun na. Na-solve na natin yung resultant force acting at the origin. If you want to solve for the direction naman, that is just simply inverse tangent ng Ry over Rx, salpak lang, and yun na. 54.76 degrees. Positive ang lumabas, ibig sabihin yan, counterclockwise yung ating rotation from the positive x-axis. Next, isolve naman natin yung resultant moment at the origin. The resultant moment at the origin is just equal to summation of moment at the origin, or simply, summation of force times distance considering clockwise positive. And as we can see, kapag nag-moment tayo sa origin, wala tayong makukuha dahil yung mga forces ay dadaan sa origin or sa ating moment center. Therefore, the resultant moment there is 0. Okay, so ayan na. Na-convert na natin siya into a resultant force and resultant moment system. Okay, I hope na-gets nyo.